guys, I'm so glad you're here. I'm Bree, my blog is Average But Inspired, and this is my new sort of YouTube channel. I'm planning on sharing a lot more videos about crafts, DIY, and home decor. And today, to kick things off, I can't wait to show you how to take greenery from your grocery store, literally like the stuff they stick in little floral bouquets, how you can take that stuff and turn it into a beautiful centerpiece for your dining room, your outdoor entertaining, any weddings you might be having this summer. Anyway, let me show you. You really need just about $10 worth of greenery and you can make a gorgeous arrangement. I can't wait to share. Please, if you would, I'd love it if you could subscribe to my channel. It is new, but I promise that you're gonna like what you see. All right, let's get started.
So to begin, you're going to want to add some lukewarm water to each vase. I like to use lukewarm or room temperature water so that I'm not shocking my plants once I'm putting them into the vases. Now this next part might seem a little bit strange, but just trust me. Add some Sprite or other lemon lime soda to each vase. I know it sounds crazy, but the plants love it and it actually makes them last longer. All right, now grab your greenery from the grocery store. So for this, I decided to get 3 types of greenery, different shades, different types of leaves. I thought that might keep the look a little bit interesting. So you'll see I've got some light green, some dark green, and some chartreuse. Now you're ready to actually start making your arrangement. So for this, you're probably going to want to use some garden clippers. I actually didn't have any, so I used some tulle that I found in my husband's toolbox. And what I did is I cut each stem on the diagonal. So instead of doing a straight cut, I did, slightly diagonal. For these branches that I'm cutting in this clip, you can see I had to use the tool, whatever it was. I don't know the name of it. But they were thick stems, so make sure you've got what you need to cut. For other stems, you'll totally be able to use regular household scissors. So you'll see here, regular scissors work just fine. These are thinner stems, and these are more of a, widespread leaf. So what I've decided to do with these is kind of stick them in the back of the arrangement to sort of build up the back there. Finally, you're going to want to cut the stems of your last type of greenery that you're putting into the arrangement. For these, I put these chartreuse stems sort of right front and center because I think they're the most interesting. Then you can just kind of floof your arrangement a little bit more, get the pieces in place just how you want them. Now, repeat this process across all 3 of your vases. Because this greenery is so inexpensive, you're going to have a lot of it if you've bought 3 different packs of stems. So make the most of it. Make an arrangement grouping of 3 and you'll get the most bang for your buck. Your grocery store greenery arrangements are going to look amazing on their own, or add some thrifted brass candlesticks for an even more beautiful look.